If you've ever wondered how do I change direction on roller skates, or you've seen people doing transitions but you don't really know how, this tutorial is for you. And by the end of this tutorial, you're going to know the 3 steps you need to do to learn how to transition and change directions on roller skates. Transition is when you change directions while skating. It's one of the basic first skills that you learn as a roller skater. Now for the terminology, they're called transitions basically because it's a roller derby term. I actually learned how to do transitions because of roller derby. That's how I started roller skating. Essentially, transitions are how you change directions on roller skates, whether you're skating forwards to backwards or backwards to forward. And basically, it's very simple. There are only 3 steps to learn how to transition, and I'm going to teach you those in today's tutorial. Put 1 foot forward and let your weight transfer onto that leg. Put your lead foot forward. So for me, my natural lead foot is going to be my right foot. So I'm putting my right foot forward, and then you're going to start rolling as you put that foot forwards. Just establish which direction you're going to turn. So for me, if my right foot is forward, I'm going to turn to the left, which means I'm going to open my body up this way. So I'm turning to the left so I can turn around and go this direction. So I'm facing this way, and I'm going to open my body this way and turn this way. So essentially you want your lead foot forward and you want to start rolling. And as you start rolling, you're going to start shifting your weight on top of that foot. And then we're going to get to step 2. Step 2 is open the door. Essentially to open the door, you're opening up your body towards the direction you're trying to turn. So that means your shoulders and your hips are going to open that way as well. I'm facing forward, I'm turning towards the direction I'm going. I'm trying to go this way. To open the door, basically you just go into side stance, which is where you go heel to heel with your body open and both toes are pointed outwards. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So step 1, start rolling forward, side stance. So for the sake of this foot forward, turn, open the door this way, and to close the door, which is step 3, we're going to bring this foot back around. And as we do that, you're heel to heel, and then you shift your weight onto this foot until this foot is down in front as well. Shift your weight onto your foot, your back foot, and pick up your front foot and bring it to face the same direction that your back foot is. And those are the 3 steps that you need. That is it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you found this helpful. And if you did, please give this video a big like and share it with anyone that you know is trying to learn how to change directions on roller skates and learn transitions. I tried to keep this as simple and informative as possible, as always. And if you're new here, I go by my skate name, Simon Slade. I'm Brianna, and I would love if you subscribe to my channel as I continue to post weekly videos, tutorials, resources, and tips and tricks for roller skaters. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh gosh, I lost a toe stop. That's great. Thankfully, you don't need those to do transitions.
too much, I know.